Hi everybody. Good afternoon. I'm here. I'm going to work on one of the tags from Spankie's Crafty Corners 52-week tag challenge. Week 5, the prompts are: the word is adventure, the texture or material is magazine page, and the color combination is blue and green. And I may be going to stretch my color combination a little bit, but that's okay. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to use pretty much all magazine pages, so that ought to be good. I do want to say something. I've about decided on my other tags. I really love this, but I'm going to have 52 of these, and I'm not sure how I'm going to handle a display of them, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do just yet. Maybe I'll put them together this way and put them together down here, and then they would turn like that. But you know, I'm thinking about down the road, maybe I won't do tassels, although I just love the tassels on each of them. So anyhow, that's what we're thinking about. So I'm going to just work, and I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, so I have finished up, except for putting on a little bit of a tassel on the tag. I used the blue and green loosely. As far as the colors, that's what she wanted goes. Every image and my word all came from a magazine page, so I thought that was, you know, at least a little bit of sticking to the prompts. The tag came together real quick, but then I sort of had an idea of what I wanted to do. These are all adventures I'd like to go on, so I thought that would be appropriate. I decided to go ahead and do the tassel. I'm still not sure how I'm going to display these or what I'm going to do with them just yet. But there we go. So let me bring it in and let's see here. It's about as close as I can get and still keep the tag upright. It was fun, and this is, let me see, this is week, what week is this? This is week 5 of the 52 weeks tag challenge from Spankie's Crafty Corner. And I'm going to read you a 1001 Ways to Creativity quote. This one says, the more conservative your approach, the harder creativity becomes. Be daring. So, we'll have, this was a lot of fun, and I'll be back as soon as I have a little bit of an idea for another tag. So I hope everyone has a great afternoon. Like I said, I will put the link to the video about this challenge in the description box, and I hope you might think about playing along. Bye-bye.